how to make donkey in Infinite Craft. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can make donkey in Infinite Craft. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to create a donkey in Infinite Craft, there are simply a couple of things that you have to do. So on the right hand side, you can see I've written down the formula. I just have to combine them. Starting with fire and wind, which will give us smoke. We're going to add earth and water, which will give us a plant. Earth to earth itself, which will give us a mountain. Then water and smoke, which will give us fog. Fog and plant to create a mushroom. Mushroom and mountain to create a toad. Then toad and mushroom again to create a Mario. Mario plus mountain to create a Donkey Kong. And Donkey Kong and water is finally going to give us donkey. And this way we can create a donkey in Infinite Craft. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.